Welcome to CryptoWini. Hey everyone! Are we witnessing history? Bitcoin has skyrocketed to an unbelievable $106,000, a milestone that has the whole world buzzing. But what's driving this explosive growth? Is now the time to jump in, or should you hold back? Stick around, because in today's video we're uncovering the forces behind Bitcoin's surge, the ripple effects across the crypto market, and what this could mean for you as an investor. And before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel CryptoWini for more cryptocurrency insights and financial updates. Visit our website cryptowini.com, link in the description, for even more resources. Let's get started. Alright, let's set the stage. Bitcoin, the undisputed king of cryptocurrencies, has smashed through the $106,000 mark, reaching a new all-time high. But what's pushing it to such dizzying heights? Here's the scoop. President-elect Donald Trump dropped a bombshell: plans for a Bitcoin strategic reserve. Yep, you heard that right. Think of it as America's digital gold vault. This bold idea has supercharged investor confidence and sent shockwaves across the financial world. But there's more. The Federal Reserve is expected to cut interest rates this week, which often pushes people toward alternative investments like Bitcoin. Combine that with the buzz about a crypto-friendly Trump administration and you've got the perfect storm for Bitcoin's rally. Now, Bitcoin isn't just climbing alone, it's dragging the entire crypto market up with it. Take Ethereum for instance. It's trading at $3,962, riding Bitcoin's coattails. Then we've got Solana, Cardano, and Avalanche, all gaining momentum. Even meme coins like Dogecoin are barking up the bullish tree. What's fueling this optimism? Experts point to record highs in Bitcoin futures and options. This shows a strong belief in the market's upward potential. And let's not forget the growing interest from institutional investors, which is giving crypto even more legitimacy. But hold up, there's a twist. Some analysts warn about profit-taking at $106,000. With clusters of liquidity around $100,000, we might see short-term dips. Still, the long-term outlook remains bullish, with potential targets of $108,000 to $110,000. Okay, let's zoom out. Does Bitcoin crossing $106,000 finally prove it's the digital gold everyone's been talking about? Is it the ultimate hedge against inflation? Here's what you need to consider. While Bitcoin's rise is thrilling, the market remains volatile. Trump's bold moves, the Federal Reserve's policies, and the broader global economy all play a role. For first-time investors, the question isn't just how high can it go, but also, what's my strategy? Are you ready to hold through the volatility, or is your goal short-term gains? And for seasoned crypto enthusiasts, this could be the start of another bull run. But as always, diversification and research are key. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. And that's a wrap on today's deep dive into Bitcoin's incredible $106,000 milestone. So, what do you think? Will Bitcoin break through $110,000, or is this just a temporary spike? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Like this video, then smash that like button and share it with your crypto-curious friends. Don't forget to subscribe to CryptoWini for more exciting updates and analysis on the cryptocurrency and finance world. And hey, if you're hungry for more, check out our video on related topic. You can find it right here on your screen. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy investing.